Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be updated every time I share a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I decluttered my master bedroom, primarily going through all of the clothing, purging, organizing, just getting things back in order in the master bedroom, because it is one room that I organize time and time again, but still somehow it gets out of control. And it was out of control. The clutter in the room just really grew, especially after the holidays. And I was not being good this past year in regards to letting things go as I was putting things into my drawers or into my closet. Typically, if I get something new, which I really haven't done a lot of shopping in regards to clothing shopping anyway recently, but I did receive some Christmas gifts and I ran out of space in my drawers for the new clothing that I received. If you hear a trombone playing in the background, we are in a time and place where our kids are learning virtually from home. So it is very rare that I have any quiet time in the house for filming. So yeah, there's trombone playing in the background right now. It's just, that's the way we roll these days. It is what it is. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys how I made out in decluttering and reorganizing the bedroom. So what I did was I started with the worst of it, which was my husband's closet. His closet is relatively small and we need to fit a lot of things in it. So I'm always experimenting with different types of organizational products. And then we'll get started step by step, reorganizing and getting things back in shape. Okay guys, so I want to give you the full view of what is going on in here right now. So here is my desk. Everything is very cluttered, not organized really much at all. And I know I've done this before with you guys, but here are my drawers. Currently I can hardly open or close them. They're really crammed and they don't really make much sense anymore. As well as these drawers down here, which is where I keep my overflow of clothes. This is mostly summer clothes, bathing suits and things. And this was supposed to be mostly jeans, but then some sweatshirts ended up in there. And then my husband's end table, which these baskets were on top because we're just running out of space to store things. But the main problem in this room is this closet. And that is where I'm going to start because it's bad. It's really bad. So that's where we're going to begin today. I'm going to start with the closet and then I will move on over to drawers. I have to tackle my husband's drawers as well. He still has to put away all his Christmas stuff. That's all piled up over there. And the last thing that I'm going to do is the end tables and my desk, because I feel like that's not too bad and could probably be done in a matter of maybe a half an hour or so. So let's get to it. Okay, so today was 100% working on this closet. Let's take a good look in how I organized this closet. We'll start from the bottom up. So we have this shoe rack here, which now we can easily see and he can actually get to his shoes. There's a bag here for dry cleaning, so when we need something dry cleaned, it can just go right in that bag. And then in this little bin, we have dress socks because he doesn't use dress socks all that often, and there's not a lot of dresser drawer space, so that worked out really well. And then in this hanging organizer right here, it was this that I purchased from Bed Bath & Beyond, so that's working out really good. We just have all of his sweatshirts, and along the side are the ties. And then I also have these hangers. And then I also have these hangers that also helps to save some space. You can hang, I think it's about 6 things at a time, which works out really good. And then the top shelf, I cleared all of that stuff off and we only have the things that my husband needs easier access to. So like his overnight bag is up there. He can just grab it very carefully. This closet goes way back. I know it's kind of hard to see, but we put things towards the back that he doesn't typically use or wear. And then all of our like memory keeping stuff is down here, wedding albums and things like that. And the cat is making her way in there too now. She found a new spot that was not there before. And now I have 2 bags of donations going out as well as a couple of bags of garbage. So we accomplished a lot today. So once my husband's closet was attended to, we ended up going through all of his dresser drawers, getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff and reorganizing that as well. That part I did not share with you, but I am now going to share with you everything that was in my drawers and the condition of it. It's kind of embarrassing because I let it get so bad that there's no longer organization and I'm just kind of shoving things wherever they fit. So maybe what once was pajamas is now pajamas and sweatshirts and maybe a sweater or two. Like, it just starts to not make sense anymore. And that's when I know I need to take the time to take everything out, seriously look through everything that I have and see what I have been wearing and what I have not been wearing. I tend to hold on to things for a long time thinking I'm eventually going to wear it, and then I don't. So I am going to be going through all of my drawers. This was definitely a video in the past, so if I can find that, I'll link it above, because this is something I probably need to do at least once or twice a year, and I usually share it with you guys. So if you want to check out that, you guys can check out specifically that video where I just attended to all of my clothing and my dresser drawers and stuff like that. But that's what we're going to do now, and I am definitely going to get rid of some stuff, maybe change things up a little bit and make more space. So for like a year now, I've been opening the drawer like this by the screw because this is missing. I had another one that looked just like this, and I knew it had to be somewhere in this room. And guess what? I just found it in this drawer. So I am very grateful for that. So what I have done is I changed up this drawer, which was all workout clothes and t-shirts, to sweaters and sweatshirts for the winter. When I did the whole KonMari way of organizing your clothes, I tried to keep everything out all of the time, but that just clearly is not working for me. And since I don't wear the t-shirts in the winter time, hardly ever at all, I think I'm going to just pack away the t-shirts and bring them out in the spring, summer, and then I'll pack away the sweaters, because there's really no reason to have all of this in a drawer and never use it for so many months. And also it doesn't make sense to keep all of these sweaters and sweatshirts in this drawer year round, because this is just so much wasted space with all of these sweaters. So in the winter they stay here, and then in the spring I will pack them away. So that is my new solution to this problem, but everything fits in here rather well, and I even have a little bit of space right here for one more sweatshirt or sweater if I needed to add one to my wardrobe. Something else that I find incredibly helpful is I save these big zipper pouches that sheets, or for instance, I had a queen size quilt in here at one point in time, and it zips shut, and all of my clothes fit perfectly in here. There's actually still quite a bit more room, so I can fit more things if I needed to, and this slides right underneath my bed. And now I am finally tackling this last drawer, and this is pajamas and loungewear. So I think I can free up some space in here, hopefully for my workout clothes, which do stay out year round. Okay, so all of my workout clothes fit over here. So these are all of my workout pants and all of like my tank tops. Then I have pajama bottoms, and then these on this side are all pajama sets. So they all fit in there perfectly. And I have a full kitchen bag of clothing that I am going to be donating. And this is the balance of the clothing that I still need to figure out what to do with it. So I have a drawer underneath here where I keep bathing suits and cover-ups and also shorts. So I'm thinking I'm going to put those away with my summer clothes as well. So I have a whole drawer for, these are long sleeve shirts, leggings, these are like hoodie sweatshirt jackets, and then I have a couple of pairs of sweatpants. So I think that is going to be the solution to that problem. And here are the two drawers. So this one is just all jeans, and that one is just going to stay the way it is. It opens and closes fine, and I actually do wear all of those jeans because I wear jeans pretty much every day, and this stuff is going to be packed away so that I can accommodate this right here. Okay, so all of that fit perfectly, and I just kept a couple of bathing suits because we do have a hot tub, so I need access to at least a couple, but I have some hoodie jackets here, and then I have the leggings here and long sleeve tees here, and it all fits perfectly. Okay, so now that the dressers are all completely organized and neat and tidy, and the closet is organized and neat and tidy, it is so much nicer putting away clothing. Now when I do laundry, I actually look forward to putting things away, where that was always my least favorite part. Now I don't mind doing it at all. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments below. Do you ever reorganize like a cabinet, if it's like the linen closet or a kitchen cabinet or your drawers, and then it makes your daily tasks so much less of a burden when you know the space is now organized? It's such a great thing. So everything looks great now, and what I did was I just kind of gave the room an overall refresh. I washed all of the lace in the room. All of my curtains have been washed, and all of the lace runners were washed, and I dusted everything and Windexed everything, so everything is just kind of freshened up and just looks and feels so much brighter and without all of the clutter, because lots of Christmas gifts finally have been put away, so it feels good. It's a nice refresh when you just take one room at a time and really go through and declutter, organize, and clean things up, just wipe things down. It just makes the room feel so much more welcoming, and I'm really happy that I focused on the master bedroom this week. I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming along. Hopefully this inspired you to tackle a room in your house, whether it's the master bedroom or any other room. Hopefully it inspired you to get working on it, because it's so satisfying. It really, really is. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care. Bye.